Okay, so in the last video, we got to here, and now we have to continue. So we have to take care of the square root. We have to see if we need to make the step party, the birthday cake, however you were taught to do that with this 40. So we're going to type it into the calculator, and if we get a decimal, then we're going to have to do the step party or birthday cake. So I got a decimal. So we are going to go ahead. We got an ugly decimal, so we're going to select this right here. We got an ugly decimal. And we're going to do the step party or the birthday cake. I'll go ahead and do the step party on this. Remember, we're dividing by our prime numbers, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. So I'm going to start with 40, and we're going to divide by 2. And so I'm going to pull up my calculator again. And we have 40 divided by 2 is 20. And then I'm going to divide that by 2. And I get 10. And then I'm going to divide that by 2. And I get 5. I'm just going to go with 5. And then the only thing that's going to work on this is 5. And then that's when I get my 1. So we are trying to partner up some people here. We got partners of 2. And 1 comes out. And this 2 and the 5 stay inside. And so I have plus or minus 2 square root of 10. 2 times 5 is 10. Now we can always check our work on this. Square root of 40 and 2 square root of 10. We always want to make sure that they're the same decimal. So I'm looking right here. And they are the same exact decimal. So I know I did it correctly. All right. So we are going to fill in. We still had this negative 2 here. So we're going to bring it down and write it right here. Negative 2. We still have the 6 that was on the bottom. So we're going to bring that down here and write it right here. But instead of this square root of 40, we're going to write 2 square root of 10. And they already gave the plus or minus to you. So you don't have to write it another one. The last step is we can't touch the square root, but we're going to do the heart and see if any of these reduce. So we're going to do negative 2 over 6. And so I'm going to bring up my calculator again. Oops, just kidding. See if I can get it up here. There we go. All right, negative 2 divided by 6, and I hit the circle, and this does reduce. So this reduces to negative 1 over 3. And then we're also going to do this part. Now, again, you cannot mess with that square root of 10. So 2 divided by a positive 6 reduces to positive 1 over 3. So what happens is the bottom now is on both of these is 3. The first number here is negative 1 because it was negative to begin with. We're not going to change that. And then this was 1, and we got to just keep the square root of 10. And so this is your final answer right here.